Gold and silver traded with swings. We have seen a good resistance coming into play at 3016, 3020 zone, precisely as mentioned in our update that till 3040 we should treat gold as bearish. And what has happened? We have seen a good resistance. It has reversed. It has seen the lows at 2975 while bouncing back again today, while silver has also struggled to stay above 3050, 3060 zone, the critical milestone, and it is reversed. So what to expect now from gold and silver? Can we expect this tariff wars to melt metals as well? Can we expect a greater correction in gold and silver prices, or the lows are done and we are looking forward to a recovery? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be seen before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. If you look at gold on the hourly chart, see these were the lows here at 29.56, and since then lower highs, higher lows are seen. It has seen a good consolidation at 29.75. And if you connect this, this is the channel in which it is trying to trade the highs of this channel again towards 30.40. And if this is taken, then we can expect a little reversal. On the downside, now it is very important again for gold to trade below 2980, which is a critical number which I have shared several times in my weekly and daily review. And today again this is going to play a major role. Right now what's happening after the retracement, it is finding a good resistance here from the 50 period. And now once it stays above 30 levels, you can expect another round of rise all the way towards 30 or in fact towards 30-40 levels. Let's watch out. See stock ISIC rising, MACD rising, RSI rising here. Signs are supportive for further rise. Coming to 2-hour chart, similar observation here on the 2-hour charts. Notice it is delivering higher lows and higher highs. There is a possibility of a retracement towards 30 levels, and bullishness is confirmed only if it trades above 30-40 and then 30-50 levels. So these are the levels which you should watch out for. As long as now 30-40 and 30-50 is not taken, you have to be careful with the buys. What's happening? You can see series of bearish candle and then first reversal candle has appeared, and now it is trying to show a pullback here. So in fact, even if you see it is staying above 3012, you can buy and expect 3016, 3020 as the first target zone, and then towards 3026, 3030, 32 and 3040 should appear. Greater resistances on the upside all the way towards 3040 and 3050 levels are available. Moving averages have crossed over. These are definitely trading bearish here, and the price now trading above 20 period. This calls for a pullback all the way towards the 50 period moving average. Stock ISIC rising, MACD rising, RSI rising. Signs are still supportive for further bullishness. Coming to 3-hour, on the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. See the retracement towards 20 period, then again a drop, higher lows here, higher highs here. Let it stay above 30-20 zone. That is the only level above which little bullishness should prevail. And then beyond this, you can expect 30, 25, 26, 30, 30, 32, 40. And beyond that 30-50 is also possible. This crossover is very important. The 50 and 100 period has crossed over, which is a bearish sign here for gold. Keep a watch on it. Also notice what it is done with the last candle. After this greater slide, it has bounced back, but right now I can see a struggle here on the upside. So let it stay beyond 30-16 zone, 30-20 zone. That should be a good level for us to buy. Stochastic rising, MACD at bottom, it is crossed over, trading bullish as of now. RSI rising as well. Coming to 4-hour chart, the observation is more or less same on the 4-hour chart. Slightly higher highs, higher lows. Possibility of a move towards 30-20 exists. However, too early to conclude. Yes, in fact, see the lower highs here. Wait for this to be taken. Wait for 30-16 to be taken. Then you can expect slight bullishness here. And the crossover here is anyways on the sell side, and hence as long as now 30-50 is not taken, 30-40 is not taken, you have to be careful, very careful. Also look, the time it is spent on the downside calls for a little pullback here. So let's watch out if it delivers the breakout here. If you see the stock ISIC, this is rising. The MACD has crossed over at the bottom, and it is a good sign for the bulls. The RSI is rising here. Coming to daily charts, and before proceed to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my next mentorship batch. Starts on 5th of May. Yes, we have taken a good break here on the mentorship batch, and now we are resuming the mentorship batch again. Do not miss to learn this art of trading with our years of experience in this volatile and turbulent times, how to sail these times. Do not miss to join it. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can be part of. You can be part of that broker. The links are there in the channel and video description. The signals channel also we are operating, where we trade as per the signals and we are profiting day on day. Enjoy this volatile and turbulent times. Join the signals channel. Connect with me for any of your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. What I can see on the daily charts, it has found a very good support from 50 period moving average. This is the 50 days average, which is offering it a good support here. Also notice the bearishness getting diminished with every candle, and it is trying to bounce back. Now very important, if you see now gold trading beyond yesterday's high, you can expect a good reversal here. There is a possibility of in fact 3040 or 3050 levels here. And in fact beyond, see, it is trying to reverse, it is trying to show a greener candle after a series of bearish candle and showing a reversal sign, forming a bottom here. It is trying to bounce back, and hence gold might try to retrace a little on the upside. And but I will say till 3050 you have to be careful. Beyond this you can expect gold to move all the way towards 3065, 3080 zone. If you see the stock, I think this is oversold. The MACD is the one which is trading bearish here. After the crossover at the top, it is trading sharply bearish. There is a possibility that it can show a couple of greener candles before it takes the down move again, before it takes the downturn trend again. RSI is comfortable. So considering this, I will say you can buy here at 3012, but then 3016, 3020, 22, then 3026, 3030, 32, and then 3040. So you can see very strong resistance at every 40-50 pips you will get, and hence you have to just keep booking and keep trailing. That is what the best you can do and sail these turbulent times. And on the upside, once it trades beyond 3040, the next targets are towards 3050, and beyond 3050 is where we are looking forward to a greater up move towards 62, 65 zone, then towards 3078, 80, the next milestone which it would like to achieve. And that is on the upside. Now on the sell side, I will only recommend a sell. See, ideally you have to wait for 2980, but it is a far below level. You can sell here at 2998. Expect it to move towards 2990, 92, 2980. And this time once gold trades below 2980, you can expect a greater correction towards 2960, and below 2960 you can expect 2940 and 2900 levels. Be mindful, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Now if you see silver on the early charts, what it has done, it has formed a nice flag after this greater drop. See, it is failed to break beyond 3080, and it is trading in this nice bearish flag formation. It has to deliver a breakout. If you see it is staying above 30 today, you can initiate a buying entry, but then 30, 20, 25, 30, 50, 60 are going to be the levels which are going to offer it the maximum resistance. As long as 3050 is not taken, do not treat this as bullish. And then once it stays above 3050, you can expect 3080. Beyond 3080 is where the complete reversal can be expected here. Till 3080, do not trade this as bullish. That is pretty clear. Also on the downside, it has formed a very good support now at 2950 levels. Stochastic, if you look at it, it is rising here. The MACD trying to converge, it is not yet crossed over. The RSI is almost flat. Coming to 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour charts, likewise, similar observation. The 20 period acting as a greater resistance here. Also notice it is forming a nice flag, and whenever silver comes out of this flag, that is whenever silver trades above 3050, it is going to deliver a massive run. Also on the downside, it has got greater support till towards $29 levels. As long as 29 is not taken, we have to be careful with the sells here. If you are taking a sell, you have to be watchful. Right now look at the 20 period. This is offering a greater resistance, and it could slide here, deliver a massive blow again, take it all the way towards 28. So right now I will say we have to wait and watch which direction it takes. Stochastic rising, MACD is also rising, the RSI is also rising, signs are still supportive for further rise. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, look at the preceding candle comes with a bigger tail. So this could be a very good formation for a rise here, but I will only say it has to break the critical resistances on the upside. As long as 3050, 3060 is not taken, or in fact 3880 is not taken, you have to be careful with the buys. Though I can see this as a nice flag formation, and a breakout should invite the strong momentum on the upside, taking it all the way towards 3150, 3160 zone. Stochastic rising sharp, the MACD is rising after trading bullish, RSI is flat. Coming to the 4 hour, similar observation here on the 4 hour charts. Remember preceding candle comes with a bigger tail, and if it breaks beyond $30 levels and 3020 levels, you can expect a good recovery, and beyond 3050, 3060 you can expect a good rise. At the same time, one must not forget that it is coming with a bigger tail, and a drop below 2960 is a good sign for further bearishness, which can in fact take it all the way towards 2940, $29 levels, and below 29 it will turn extremely bearish. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over trying to move upwards, RSI is flat here on the downside. Coming to the daily chart, On the daily charts, you can see a swing here. You can see the lows. It has already created lower highs, lower lows. So it also indicates the possibility of a move all the way towards 3050 and keep itself intact in this flag formation. And a break beyond 3050 is the clear sign of a greater rise here. Right now, I can see it has seen the lows. It is trying to show a pullback. Once it stays above 30, you can expect a rise towards 30, 2025. 30, 40, 50 levels, and beyond 3050 it is going to move towards 3080, and beyond 3085 it is going to be a good run on the upside all the way towards 314050. Appears difficult but not impossible. Stock IC rising, MACD sharply bearish, RSI at bottom. So considering this, buying entry is pretty clear at $30 levels, while the selling entry now are limited at 2960. If you see it is staying below 2960, you can take a sell. Expect it to drop more below 2960. You can expect 2940, 29 dollar levels next, and below 29 it is going to turn sharply bearish all the way towards 28.50, $28 levels. It has a scope till 28 as well. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Do not see you again before the US session today itself. Do watch that update as well. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.